Hello, guys. I'm so happy today. Yes, I'm so happy. Guess what is making me happy? Yes, guess what's making me happy today? Let me set off my camera. Okay, today, guys, I had my first ever 1K views. Yes, I had my first ever 1K views with only 152 subscribers. I'm happy. You know, when they say you celebrate whether little wins or your big wins, I'm here to celebrate my little wins. Yes, because it wasn't easy for me at all, coupled with how I stopped making videos and all that. I thought YouTube has abandoned me, and I don't even know. Yes, like at a period, at a time, I stopped making YouTube videos 8 months ago. Yes, because of what I was busy making those videos. You know, when you put in effort, put much effort, you make videos, edit videos, and put it out there, and it's not getting views. And God, it's not really easy. Yes, whoever tells you that it's easy to make videos and all that, it's not easy at all. I don't know for them, but for me it's a little hard. Okay, I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy today. Yeah, I'm happy, and I'm here to celebrate my little wins. Yes, I'm here to celebrate. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. And thank you for every one of you guys that have clicked and watched my videos. Yes, guys. I have a lot of videos out there that are educative. You can just watch one of my videos and that. Yeah, support me by watching my videos. Yeah. And what again? Yes. I will be showing you what type of video that I made that made me got the 1K views. This part is for new beginners, yes. So if you are big already, you can just excuse us. Let's discuss. So come forward, you two beginners. Let's talk. Yes. Okay. The type of video that I did is just live streaming. Yes. Live streaming. Live streaming is very important. You know, don't look down on live streaming. Live streaming can help you boost your videos. Whoever thought that I would get my 1K views through live streaming? I was there making videos, putting out videos, a lot of videos. I had to even delete videos from my own channel because videos were much and I wasn't getting views. I will post videos, I will get 50 views, 30 views, 40 views. Whoever imagined that I would get my 1K views from live streaming? Live streaming is very important. Let me tell you what made me to start doing my live stream, taking my live streaming serious. If you're not taking your live streaming serious, please do well to take your live streaming very serious. Yes. As a beginner, you even need it. You need it. Yes. Okay. One day I stopped making videos 8 months ago, like I've said. And one day I was just lying on my bed, and my sister told me to do live stream. YouTube, you have forgotten your channel, as if YouTube abandoned or disowned me. Yes, I felt like YouTube have disowned me already. And my sister said, get up. Because I've been planning to do videos, but I'm not having the spirit yet. Yes, nothing is pushing me to make the videos. So I was just lying down and I said, let me just do it. I set up my camera and boom. So that day I started live streaming, and I was surprised the amount of people that came to watch me that day. Yes, I did the live stream for only few minutes, I think 30 minutes. I couldn't stay longer because I was just testing it. I didn't believe that I would get I would draw that type of audience to my live stream that day. So I said, okay, since I'm having this kind of crowd watching me, why can't I just start doing the live streaming? Okay, I made it that I'll be live streaming every Sundays, yes, once in a week. That's how I did. And I will have like over 300 people joining my channel, joining my live stream each time I start doing my live stream. Yes. The first one happened, I was surprised. The second one, I was shocked. And the third one, I was amazed. Yes. And I was so happy. It encouraged me to do more. Yes, it encouraged me to start making this video that I'm making right now. Yes, you can still do it. You can do it. Don't All hope is not lost. Don't don't feel bad. Yeah, sometimes it might be hard, but don't give up. Don't quit. Like they say, consistency is the key. Yes, I had to be consistent. I had to ginger myself up. I didn't quit. So I will advise you today, don't quit. Don't quit. Yes, don't quit. Thank God for the 1K views. Yeah, thank God for the 1K views. And I'm happy, and I'll be making my live streaming videos. I will take it more serious than ever now. Yes, I think I will take it more serious than YouTube uploading videos. Seriously, I'm so happy. Yes, guys. And if you haven't liked this video and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, be part of my community. Yes, let's grow together, guys. Yeah, let's support each other. Yeah, I was there. And thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching. I love you guys a whole lot. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.